This type of AI dancing baby police video is trending online, and a lot of accounts are blowing up because of this kind of video. And guess what? You can actually create this video for absolutely free. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and teach you how to create this type of realistic AI video. All you need to do is to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know, I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, the first thing that you need to do is to generate your image. Okay, that is the AI baby police image. Okay, and we are going to be making use of ChatGPT to generate our image. Okay, so just have to go ahead and head over to ChatGPT here. Okay, so now the next thing to do is to go ahead and paste your prompt. All right, for me, I've already have my prompt here, and I'm going to be dropping this prompt on our Telegram channel. You can head over to our Telegram channel to to get this prompt. Okay, and also this image that I want to generate, I'm going to be dropping it on our Telegram channel. You can head over to our Telegram channel to get the image, or in fact, if you want to use the exact image, you can use it or take it to ChatGPT to make any changes or extract just the prompt to generate your own. All right, so as you can see, our image has been generated. Look at that. Okay, you see, this is cool, this is nice, this is what we want, and we got it right. All you need to do now is to go ahead and download this image. All right, so now that you have gotten the image, the next thing to do is to go ahead and get your reference video. Okay, that is the video to be mimicked. That is how you want this baby to dance, like the video that this baby is going to be dancing like. Okay, that is the next thing to do. And you can get this video online, maybe from TikTok or Facebook. And if you know how to dance, you can do the dancing step yourself. Okay, you are going to understand how we are going to use it, so just pay attention. So for me, I saw this particular dancing step on Facebook, this baby video, and then I copied the link. So if you copy the links, come here to this website called savefrom.net. Okay, paste the link to download the video, all right, the dancing step. All right, so now that you have gotten the image and also you have also gotten the video reference, the next thing to do now is to create our video. And for you to do that, you just have to come here to your Chrome and then search for clinkai.com. This particular one, go ahead and click it. So it's going to bring you here if you click it. So make sure to pay very close attention here. Make sure you follow my method. If not, you are not going to get your free AI credit. Okay, as a new beginner, they are supposed to give you 166 AI credit. So you just have to go ahead and click this experience now. Okay, so if you click it, it's going to bring you here. As you can see, if you look very well, you see that I have 80 plus AI credit. This is my old account, okay, which they gave me 166 AI credit, but I have used it remaining this. So now I'm not going to be using this one. I'm going to log out this one and then log in a new Gmail account that I haven't used before, so that I'm going to claim a new 166 AI credit. Okay, so now I'll log this one out and then log in a new Gmail. Okay, so I just log in a new Gmail account and then you see I have claimed my 166 AI credit. If you pay attention to the ID, the user ID, you see that is a different account. I just log in the new Gmail account. All right, so now the next thing to do is to go ahead and create our video. And for you to do that, you just have to go ahead and click this explore. Okay, click the explore and then you are going to see this motion control. Okay, go ahead and click this motion control. So if you click the motion control, it's going to bring you here. As you can see, if you see very well, if you look very well, you are going to see add video of character to be mimicked. And then if you look very well, you are going to see add character image. Okay, this first one, this add character video to be mimicked, is this particular video that we got from Facebook. That is the dancing step. And if you are the one that do the dancing step yourself, that is what you are going to be uploading here. And then this particular one, this add character image, is the baby police image that we got from ChatGPT. That is what we are going to be uploading here. And then if you look very well, you are going to see prompt. Okay, they ask you to input a prompt, okay, in order for you to control the video. This is optional actually. If you like it, put. If you like it, not put. But for me, I'm going to be putting a prompt. All right, so I'll just have to go ahead and click this add character to mimic and bring in that dancing video. Okay, it's coming in, and then click add character image to bring in your image. Alright, so I just brought in the video and also the character image. Okay, so now you need to pay attention to this check mark, these two check mark. Make sure the left one, the character image matches video, is the one that needs to be clicked. Okay, and then the next thing now to do is to go ahead and input your prompt. Okay, for me, I've already have my prompt here. The prompt is optional, but I highly recommend you to put the prompt to control the video in order for you to get a better result. This prompt, I'm going to be dropping this particular prompt on our Telegram channel. You can head over to our Telegram channel to grab it if you want it also. So this video is going to cost us 150 AI credit, and they gave us 166 AI credit. If you don't want it to cost you much credit, you just have to go ahead and turn off the audio. The video actually have an audio, okay, but I mute it because of copyright issue. You know, we get this baby video from Facebook. There's actually an audio there. I was the one that muted so that I will avoid any copyright issue. But if you notice very well, I'm going to see this audio icon. Turn it off so that it's not going to cost you too much AI credit. And then after you generate the video, then you just have to go ahead and add the audio. So when you are satisfied, then you just have to go ahead and click generate, and as you can see, look at it, task submitted. So let's watch and see the magic from Clink AI. Alright, so our video has been generated, as you can see. So let me play the video so that you see what Clink AI got for us. Okay, as you can see, there's actually an audio there. There's an audio. I'm the one that mute it to avoid copyright issue, like I said. Okay, look at that. Wow, guys, this is cool. This is exactly the baby's video we got from Facebook. And if you are the one that do the dancing, this is how it's going to dance. The same step that you take is going to take it like this also. Okay, so this is what we want. We got it right. Okay, now let me put the two of them, like the mimic video, the one we got from Facebook, and this one. Let me put it together so that you see how everything move perfectly. The gesture, like everything is moving perfectly. Let me show you. A quick one: if you are interested in learning everything about AI, if you want to learn how to create any type of realistic AI video, how to create a responsive website using AI, how to build a landing page using AI, prompt engineering, how to create any type of design using AI, then I highly recommend you to check the description of this video. You are going to locate our academic link. Join our academy to learn everything today. It is so perfect to the extent that even the reaction of the face is always captured, like everything is moving perfectly. Okay, so now when you are done, you just have to go ahead and download your video. If you look this drop down arrow, okay, go ahead and click this drop down arrow, and then you are going to see without watermark, but that one is for those that want to upgrade. If you click it, it's going to tell you to upgrade. Okay, but the watermark is very small, so you don't need to panic. You can always remove it. If you watch my video from the beginning, you are not going to see the watermark there. Okay, I just crop it out. Okay, and then you are going to see this particular one, download with watermark. Okay, and then go ahead and click it, and then to be downloaded into your computer or your phone. So this is basically how to create this type of realistic AI video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching from YouTube. And don't forget to follow this account if you're watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. I'm Big JohnAb as per usual friend. Until salute. Bye.